standard CBSE syllabus English, my elder brother, 5th standard. Okay, here we will read this. This short play is about two brothers who are affection and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from a day-to-day experience is important what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Saab, written by Manish Premchand. Scene 1. A hostel room. Two brothers aged 9 and 14 sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading book and the younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning play. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with books for hours together? Bhaiya, that because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year work. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 class ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times. One sentence for more than 20 times. And copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English properly. Tremendous effort in required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field. Play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to fair or going to watch cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass? If you waste your time playing all the time, you are simply wasting fathers had earned money. Munna start crying on being scolding and sobbing sound wah 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 baba who are heard. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now, no, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at down. Timetable. 6 a.m. Wash your hands. Have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. Maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. History. 3 to 3:30 then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar. Half an hour for strolling. 6:30 English composition. Then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi. 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play. What is the need? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like football. I like to touch I like to touch and go and hoo sounds of the kabaddi and the hurry of flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forgot everything. See, the final exams are over and results are out. Bhaiya, Alice, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear, don't be proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid. You are smart. Once in a while in a guli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes like classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work in geometry. If one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbook. Munna, oh bhai sahib, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to ninth class now. But I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. But yeah, just today we were asked to write a short essay on a topic punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can someone write be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's also mixed up. Munna, thinking aloud. Thank God. Thank God. It was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Scene third, the results were out once again, and it is so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya, now because gentler with Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna, talking aloud. I am lucky I can pass easily. I need not to study so hard. Now I can play game with my friends and fly cards. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying cards. One day a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya, catching hold of Munna's hand, aren't you ashamed to play kites all day along? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are, and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really Bhaiya? Is that true? Bhaiya, yes, there is 1,000 things that they know more than you or me, and even if we have studied the wisdom studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have to write to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if were to fall sick today, Munna? I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hospital. Bhaiya, aha, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first to find out what was wrong, and then he would call and Dr. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna, with tears in his eyes. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly cards, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna, I love you, Bhaiya. Now I'll explain you in Hindi. My elder brother, okay? तो मेरे बड़े भाई, ओके. एक हॉस्टल रूम था. 2 भाई थे. एक की एज थी 9, एक की एज थी 14. वो स्टडी टेबल पे बैठे थे. वो बड़ा भाई था, वो रीडिंग कर रहा था, और जो छोटा भाई था वो ड्राइंग कर रहा था बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स की, चिड़िया और पंछियों की. भैया, बड़ा भाई, तू क्या कर रहा है? मुन्ना, छोटा भाई, मैं ड्राइंग कर रहा हूँ. भैया, तू कब पढ़ेगा? तू कहाँ था सुबह ही? मुन्ना, टर्निंग प्ले. मैं खेल रहा था भैया. आप कैसे इतना टाइम बुक्स के साथ बैठ सकते हो? भैया, क्योंकि मैं मेरा फाउंडेशन एजुकेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग रखने के लिए बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्डिंग भी स्टैंड फर्मली रहनी चाहिए. कभी ये 2 साल का काम 2 साल टू डू 1 year वर्क. 1 साल का काम 2 साल में करना पड़ता था. मुन्ना, भैया, तुम मेरे से 5 साल बड़े हो. मैं तुम्हारे से 3 क्लास छोटा हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि आप क्यों एक ही वर्ड सेम टाइम्स 20 टाइम क्यों लिखते हो, और सेंटेंस मोर टाइम्स 20 टाइम्स कॉपी क्यों करते हो. पोम्स से ज़्यादा बार ब्यूटीफुल प्यारी हैंडराइटिंग में क्यों लिखते हो. भैया, तुम्हें पता है इंग्लिश स्टडी करने बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. एक को काम करना पड़ता है और याद करना पड़ता है सब्जेक्ट. बात करना और इंग्लिश प्रॉपरली ट्रेमेंडस इफेक्टिव ज़रूरत है. बट द मूवमेंट तुम्हें मिलता है वो चांस है. तुम भागते हो फील्ड पर, खेलते हो मार्बल्स और फ्लाई पेपर काइट्स, और बैठते हो चुपके अपने फ्रेंड के साथ मस्ती करते हुए. तुम नीचे बैठकर स्टडी नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट पेज हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे.